Trillions of dollars could be entering the crypto space, and Polygon is changing their Matic token. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. We have a new exclusive campaign with Bybit with up to $81,000 in prizes. You can now earn up to $30,000 just based on how much you deposit and trade. We're also launching our brand new trading competition with up to $51,000 in the prize pool. The idea is super simple. The more you deposit and trade, the more you can earn. To find out more, just click the link in the description below. Bitcoin may see a parabolic curve begin thanks to United States dollar weakness as the greenback falls to 3-month lows. In a tweet on July 11th, Trader Mustache suggests that the time is right for Bitcoin price history to repeat itself. Bitcoin's formerly strong inverse correlation to dollar strength has waned this year, but its latest movements are talking points among traders. Previously above 105, the greenback has faced stiff resistance after 2022's 20-year highs. Mustache believes that as a result of the newfound bearish behavior with the dollar, Bitcoin stands to win. He summarized by saying, "Calm before the storm, a big move is still loading," alongside a chart showing the DXY challenging the bottom of a Gaussian channel on weekly timeframes. The first candle of the DXY now falls out of the channel. This is the point where you want to be positioned. In 2016 to 17 and in 2020 to 21, this led the parabolic curve in Bitcoin. The dollar's cause has not been helped by markets keen to tap a potential reversal in US interest rate hikes. The July 12th release of the CPI for the month prior came in below expectations, providing further fuel for risk assets. The DXY moves from 100 to 90 after the previous two halvings provided a tailwind for significant multi-month bullish rallies. The DXY is currently forming a high time frame descending triangle, which holds a bearish bias. Looking back, the last time the DXY traded at 100 was in mid-April 2022. At the time, Bitcoin hovered around $40,000. Google Play announced a major shift in policy today, allowing developers to incorporate digital assets such as NFTs into their apps and games in the store. Companies that decide to offer the ability to buy, sell, or earn tokenized assets will be required to make it clear in the Play console that there are blockchain-based elements in the app. Google Play's group product manager wrote that this will allow partners to reimagine traditional games and boost user loyalty through unique NFT rewards. Reddit, which has seen enormous success with its avatar NFTs, was one of the partners working with Google on the new policy. Matt Williamson, Reddit senior engineering manager, was quoted saying that the updated guidelines are aimed at creating a level playing field that promotes user trust and responsible usage of blockchain technology. The post stressed the importance of user trust, noting while tokenized assets are meant to build more enriched, immersive experiences, as an added user protection, developers may not promote or glamorize any potential earnings from playing or trading activities. This maintains Google Play's real money gambling, games, and contest policy. In effect, this means that apps that haven't met gambling eligibility requirements can't promote buying an in-game item like a loot box for a chance to win NFTs. Overall, the company has signaled a shift in attitude towards Web3 recently, allowing R-Drive Mobile, an app for decentralized data storage, to appear in the Web Store in 2023, as well as allowing Axie Infinity Origins to be listed in select Google Play markets. In parallel, Google Cloud announced an initiative in April 2023 to help Web3 developers accelerate their startups. The Galaxy Digital founder Mike Novogratz says he believes approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF would essentially be a United States regulator and government nod for Bitcoin.
I think it ends the year higher. We're consolidating, between, call it 28 and 32,000. I think if you take out the top, we'll have a nice leg up. That might be when the Fed actually pivots and flinches. People have made a lot of money, and so there's some supply pressure today. It appears the government is selling some of their Bitcoin. Ironic, right before they're going to approve the ETF, they're going to sell their Bitcoin. They're not the best of traders, but that's why Bitcoin is forming today. What I do think is BlackRock, Invesco, the group of ETF providers, is a real signal that adoption is coming. Think about it, like Larry Fink travels the world talking to the biggest pools of capital. It makes it really easy when he's out there saying Bitcoin's an alternative. And if you're nervous about who's your custodian, and the ETF is a really easy first step.
Novogratz was evasive when asked his thoughts on if Galaxy and Invesco's spot Bitcoin ETF would be able to list before the end of the year, saying the SEC has been really stubborn and really tough on crypto. No one of significance has gotten through that listing process. We're in that process, and it's been a long and frustrating path. I think we're probably going to need either a change of heart at the SEC or a change of administration to see the real progress in crypto regulation here in the US. Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas predicts that $30 trillion worth of capital could make its way into the Bitcoin market. This is 30 times the current crypto total market cap, which stands at $1.19 trillion. The $30 trillion capital is the current estimated amount of assets controlled by U.S. financial advisors. Experts have revealed that the majority of them are interested in Bitcoin and other digital assets, but are cautious of the emerging technology, largely to its unregulated status. If the asset is offered through a regulated ETF, a lot of investment would flow into it. With a newly redesigned systems architecture, the team behind Polygon is now looking to launch an upgraded token to christen the upgrade. Called Paul, Polygon has dubbed the token a third-generation token after Bitcoin and Ethereum. In terms of function, the new Polygon token will let Paul holders also become validators within the network, allowing them to validate any number of chains and networks that Polygon is seemingly spawning every day. Importantly, this token is an upgrade from the Matic token, which will be swapped as part of the move. The Polygon team will share more details of the token smart contracts in a yet-to-be-posted Polygon improvement proposal. The upgrade from Matic to Paul would require simple technical action, setting Matic to the upgrade smart contract, which will automatically return the equivalent amount of Paul. Token holders will be given ample time to upgrade, 4 years or more. If the community consensus is gathered in support of the proposal, the migration could start within months. Polygon is pivoting to become a sort of network of networks built to help scale Ethereum. The vision, first laid out last month, has been termed Polygon 2.0 and paints a picture of multiple Polygon-based chains, bridges, and the integration of privacy-enhancing zero-knowledge proofs. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, has recommended to Algorand, a competing blockchain system, that the Layer 1 network move its code to Cardano. The founder of Cardano responded to a tweet from the chief technical officer of the Algorand Foundation, John Woods, by making a public appeal for participation. John has created a video explanation where staking stands on the Algorand platform, the safety features it offers, and its potential for future expansion. Although the focus of the video was on Algorand, John did mention Cardano as a leading delegated proof-of-stake protocol. Evidently considering this, Hoskinson said that Algorand could be better to look into becoming a sidechain of Cardano. Sidechains are commonplace in the digital currency ecosystem. Each one has its own quirks, but often leverages the established protocols and security measures of the main chain. It is said that Cardano's edge over Algorand is that Algorand is more centralized. The biggest DeFi protocol on Layer 1 blockchain, Algorand, AlgoFi, has announced it would shut down because of a confluence of events, making it impossible to keep running at an optimal level. A blog post said that the platform, which allows for lending, borrowing, and trading, will soon switch to a withdrawal-only mode. A pre-motion hearing set to take place today between the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and crypto exchange Coinbase should provide a sense of the litigation's tone and potential impact on the broader crypto industry. Previously scheduled for August, the conference is a typical request presented by any party seeking a ruling on a specific matter prior to the trial. In this case, the motion was requested by Coinbase in late June. The exchange wants the judge to dismiss the complaint filed by the regulators on June 5th. Mark Kornfield, securities and regulatory attorney, said Coinbase will try to position this case as one that is ripe for early dismissal on any number of grounds, including that the tokens are not securities under the Howey test, and thus the commission is overstepping its jurisdictional authority. In its reply to the motion on July 7th, the SEC made strong criticisms of the exchange, including that it was aware of possible violations of securities laws and that it's deliberately ignoring more than 75 years of controlling law under Howey, which is an attempt to construct its own test for what constitutes an investment contract. Coinbase's motion also refers to its initial public offering in 2021. According to the exchange, the SEC is now seeking charges for activities exhaustively described to the regulator and the general public in the past years. We have a new exclusive campaign with Bybit with up to $81,000 in prizes. You can now earn up to $30,000 just based on how much you deposit and trade. We're also launching our brand new trading competition with up to $51,000 in the prize pool. The idea is super simple. The more you deposit and trade, the more you can earn. To find out more, just click the link in the description below. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.